Hi, I'm Dr. Ushma Maniyar, consultant gynecologist and certified menopause consultant. Are you a female above the age of 40 and suffering from irregular periods, weight gain, irritability, mood swings, hot flashes, sometimes chills, fatigability, weight gain, bloating, thyroid problems, vaginal dryness, problems in sexual intercourse, or urinary problems? Then this is your channel. This is your menopause channel. What are we discussing here today? What is menopause? Menopause is the end of a reproductive life of a female. A lady is said to be in menopause when she continuously does not get periods for 12 months or 365 days at a stretch. But it is not a single point. Menopause is a spectrum. There is premenopause, perimenopause, menopause itself, and postmenopause. And this transition is never a smooth one. What causes menopause? To understand that, let us understand what causes puberty. When a child is young, both males and females have similar genotype and phenotype. Phenotype is the expression of how they look. But as the child grows after 6-7 years of age, there are certain changes in the hormones. These hormonal changes are increase in female sex hormones estrogen and progesterone. As the estrogen and progesterone rise, there are various physical changes in how a girl looks. That is, the skin becomes better, the hair becomes bouncy, the figure becomes more curvier with more prominent breasts, narrower waist, more wider hips, and more beautiful and luscious overall look. Towards the end of this spectrum, when the reproductive life is nearing the end, at that time there is a reversal of all these things. The female sex hormones, namely the estrogen and progesterone, they start declining. This decline is also not very even. There is a lot of fluctuation. Sometimes they rise, sometimes they fall, and overall the changes which occurred at puberty, slowly over a period of time, these start reversing. This explains the formation of wrinkles, alopecia or falling of hair, decrease in size of breast, decrease in the density and appearance of the breast. There is more deposition of fat towards the belly, giving an androgenic appearance. The waist increases. The hips they start decreasing gradually, and overall, if you see a lady who is 80 years old and a man who is 80-year old, moreover, the structural formation will be similar. The problems which is associated with menopause, namely the irregular periods. So again, when towards the adolescent, when the periods start, these periods are not regular because the rise in the hormones is not same or straight. Similarly, towards the end, the fall in the hormones is not straight. Along with that, there is a change in the thermostat. So hot flashes occur. The psychological changes which are associated with all this give rise to mood swings and irritability. Weight gain and thyroid issues are on the rise. The vagina becomes dry and hence there is a decrease in the sexual intercourse frequency as well as the wanting for the intercourse, and urinary problems are more common. To discuss all this in great detail, we shall have various episodes. So keep following me on YouTube. Thank you.